JTEKT has made a tried and true grinder for decades. They are the #1 manufacturer of grinding machines in the world. We're showcasing the G1 series grinder here. This is the smallest grinder that we offer. Small footprint, but it packs a lot of quality, the standard quality for the grinding machines built by JTEKT. One of the things that they are known for is the Toyota Stat spindle bearing, hydrostatic, hydrodynamic. There's no bearings, actual roller bearings or ball bearings in the system. It's all floating on a film of oil. The other proprietary design for the grinder that JTEKT has come out with, and it's on all their grinders, is the floating ball screw or floating ball nut. So what that does is take some of the absorption. If there's an impact on the axes, it will not affect the actual ball screw or the motor. So it's built into the ball nut itself that can absorb that impact if you happen to go that far with the machine, beyond its necessary travels. The other thing,
but it's good to know it exists.
That's right. That's right. The other new aspect is the Toyopuck Touch control that they've recently come out with. This is their new control design on the grinding machines. It's very similar to what's also on the horizontal machines, but now they put it into the grinding machines here. So this is a full conversational control. It's really helpful for setup for customers to set up parts. You have a changeover here. You can come into it's like picture by picture, step by step to actually set up a part. Come in, touch off on the parts. You tell it diameter of the wheel, and you're ready to go. You also have, if you have a locator, or if you have a sizing, like a Marpause gauging system, something like that, it's easy setup, one-touch setup on this. You can also do profile dressing into the wheels by point-to-point dressing on the control. So, this machine is really meant for getting a company into CNC grinding. If they're starting off, in most places still have some manual grinders that are still running, decades later. Well, this is kind of that step up. It's easy to set up, but full CNC capabilities for the grinder. So
well done, Jim. So
yeah,
I think personally, as the largest, the biggest in the world, as you mentioned, right? When it comes to the machine itself, I am inspired by this, and I want to tell you why. Everyone talks about it. It's a buzzword. It's a hashtag. It's trending. This skills gap, this labor shortage. How do we help them when they get to us? Because we want more and more and more people for the next gen, right?
Right.
This on the main screen that you showed me, it looks like a smartphone. It looks like a smart tablet. It's very intuitive and user friendly. So this works really well with this, and it works really well with an audience out there who might be new that's coming into the industry, because that to me is the simplicity we need and the familiarity we need with our day-to-day uses of our tablets and phones to help us instantly go, I can do this. I can work with this. I want to be a part of this.
Yeah, every machine shop has those guys that you just can't replace, right? They are the guys that can come into any grinder and set up a manual grinder, dial it in, taper, everything to get that part set up. Well, I mean, to get the new people coming into the industry, to get them more used to the running machine, it's difficult to set up that machine. Same thing as setting up a mill. Machinists, that's a skill set that is hard to teach. It takes many years to do that. Whereas this is a nice step forward to one-step touch for setting up the part. And it's definitely like using a cell phone, if you will, and just easy to use to get more people wanting to run machines, because that's definitely something that we need.
Jim, you mentioned we all know that guy or gal out there that's been doing this for a while, that can walk up to any machine and run it lights out and knows intuitively what's going on.
Right.
If we blink, we're going to be those guys soon, because those guys are leaving, and we have to do something to create this awearness for everyone else. This is a heck of a first step. Thank you so much for
You're doing a great job doing that too, bringing it to everybody.
Man.
So
we're
thank you
for
for that.
all of you out there, but this is grinding. This is JTEKT. This is a great way to communicate with the next gens, as well as being successful in your own shop with a trustworthy brand that is the biggest in the world. I think that says wonders for itself all on its own, and I think Jim is my new hero, by the way.